Hey guys, man, we're at the Mountain Creek Riding Stable. Yeah, man. Oh, man. That is 6190 Paradise Valley Road. It's in Fresco, PA, man. That's Cresco.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we're going to be checking out some pricing on some riding horses here, guys.
We're going to be showing you a tour of the horses. Too,
yeah. Yeah, we love them horses, guys.
Cowboys, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. We all dressed for riding, but we ain't really going to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, guys, man, Mav and I would like to thank Linwood, Shavonda, Nakia, and JR for making this review possible. Also, Chrissy and Ashton, guys. Yeah, man. Mountain Creek Riding Stables, guys. Here in Frisco.
And we're going to check the horses out and give you guys a price on what it costs to ride here, guys. It seems like a very nice place. Has a lot of good things on the internet.
They got some cool looking horses, guys. Check it out, man.
Definitely going to look at the horses.
We're going to give you a close up of the horses in just a little bit. All right, y'all.
Oh, look at that little cat. Oh, man, look at that cat. It's a barn cat, guys. Hey, baby. What are you doing?
That's a turtle cat.
Yeah.
Man.
You're so cute. Hey. Check him out. Hey, baby. Aw. Yeah, them horses just love this Mr. Mav here. Yeah. Check him out. Very nice.
They got cool saddles.
Yeah, they do. They got some nice horses. Check all them horses in the back, guys. Ooh, looks like a... Look at that. Oh, they're ready to ride, guys. Look at them. Yeah, check you out. Check you out, guys. Very nice. And there's the kitty cat, barn cat. Yep, there's somebody inside. We'll go check them out. Hello, how you doing? Checking out some pricing.
Okay, it's a 45-minute ride. It's $49 per person.
Can I get you on a... There we go.
It's if you guys look over here, all of our information is right up here, and then we have a brochure as well if you need it.
Okay, it's 45.
45-minute ride. $49.99.
Okay, and you have to phone in advance to get a...
We do recommend making reservations, yes.
Okay. And here you go, guys. This is what they have to offer. It says pony rides are 11 to 12:30 and 2 to 3. $10 for 3 wraps around the pen. Offer for children under the age of 7 and under 50 inches tall, done with mid-sized horses. Public trail ride every hour from 10 to 4. $49 a person for 45 minutes. Yeah. Kids must be 7 years or older or 50 inches tall in order to ride, and the weight limit is 240 pounds. Private trail rides, hours, varies. Specially booked, $79 per person for 45 minutes. Kids must be 7 years old and 50 inches tall in order to ride. Minimum weight is 240 pounds. Maximum of 2 people. They have wagon rides Saturday and Sunday 12 to 3. 45-minute wagon rides that go with the trail, or no one on the wagon is for people on the trail, and it goes alone, $25 per adult, $15 for kids. 4, 12, and 3 and under are free. And here's your brochure. This is what they offer, guys. Very cool. And this is the brochure on the back. Very cool. Alright, and they do accept tips and stuff. Do you have certain trails that you guys go on to?
Yeah, so the ride is, you go out through a creek, and then you're up onto a trail in the woods. It's about 3 miles long in total.
Okay. And you have regular and experienced riders too?
Yeah, so the ride we typically offer is the beginner paced ride, which is the one that's $49 per person.
Okay.
We do offer private rides that can be specially booked, that can be more customizable to riding level. So whether you're a beginner and you just don't want other members of the public out there with you, you could do that. Or if you're a more advanced rider, you could do that as well.
Okay. And what's your name?
Piper.
Piper? Okay. Is it okay for us to look around and do some
Yeah, absolutely.
videos?
You can even pet the horses, just don't duck under the rail or go on it.
Exactly. Appreciate it. Thank you. You've been
You're
very
welcome.
helpful.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Thank you. All right, guys. So that was really good there. And we can pet the horses. Oh, check them out, guys. Check Shaman out. Oh, he's closing his eyes. He loves that. Very cool. All right, we're going to go check these other ones down. This one here, they put the bag over him a little bit. He gets a little spooked sometimes. Hi, boy. Hey. Aw. Yeah. You can see out the, and to keep some of the bugs off his eyes and stuff. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I like her. She's nice. And then we're going to check these ones out, guys. Very nice. Hey. Hey. He's got hair like I got. I like him. Oh, it's actually her. Most of the ones they will have out here will be girls anyway.
That's pretty mean.
Yeah. Well, he got her winter fur. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. I do like the black one guy. Guys, look at this one. I like that one. Very nice horse. That horse he wants to get photographed too, guys. Check him out. Awesome. All right.
I like this horse, guys.
You like that one? It looks like it likes you a lot too. Oh, look at his eyes. He's falling asleep on you.
I think they all like me.
Yeah, they do. A lot of nice horses, guys. Hey.
All right, guys, check out man.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Check him out.
Hi there, guy. He likes being a pet, guys.
Yeah, he does. If he was a cat, he'd be purring.
Yeah.
He'd be purring.
Nice saddles and everything.
Yeah.
Cool barn and everything in the background too, guys.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to head on around the back and photograph some more horses, guys.
Yeah, guys. Say bye-bye, horsey. Bye-bye, horsey. Aw.
All right, guys, we're going to head around back here. Maybe shoot inside the stable here a little bit. Very keep most of the horses are out. Very cool though. Very nice. They keep it pretty clean here too, guys. A lot of horseshoes. Love them horseshoes. Very cool, guys.
Look at all the blankets and saddles.
Oh yeah.
Bridles.
Very nice.
Nice stable.
And you got the horse I like all the way down there.
Yeah, we couldn't pet him.
Couldn't pet him though.
He's pretty.
What do you think, Shaman?
Really cool guys, man. I like him. I like the horses. I like that thing too, man.
Yeah, we like this horse too.
Yeah.
Kawasaki 4x4.
Kawasaki.
And it's actually a mule SX. Yeah.
Hey guys, check out Mad Man.
I feel home, guys.
Feel at home.
Home on the farm.
Mad the cowboy.
Yeah, that's it.
Two sexy cowboys, guys. TSC reviews. We're here reviewing Mountain Creek Riding Stable, guys. This is Mav and I'm Shaman.
And we like this mule here, guys. Very cool. That's a nice four.
Kawasaki Road, man. That's one of our newest subscribers.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Hey guys, man, I want to give an extra special shout out, man, to Kawasaki Red, one of our newest subscribers, man. Gotta think of him, guys, 'cause this is Kawasaki, man.
That's a nice Kawasaki.
But yeah, it's still an ATV.
Yeah, it's still an ATV, guys.
It's all you Kawasaki Red, R-E-V.
Yeah. Okay, this is the back of the barn, guys. Very nice. Got a lot of nice. Gotta make sure you don't touch the electrified fence. It will give you a jolt. So we'll take a shot of all the horses out here. Very nice. I like the painted horses, guys. I always like the painted ones. Very nice. Which one do you like, Shaman?
Out of all of them, I like as far as personality, I like the first one we first walked in.
Yeah.
That I was painting. As far as like looks, I like the paint, but I also like the black one over there.
Yeah.
But we didn't get a chance to paint.
Yeah, they got some big horses.
Black one over there. I gotta think for the black horse I had one growing up, man.
Yeah.
And I had a little Shetland pony, a brown one named Coco.
Yeah. Got a lot of nice horses here.
Then we had like a tan brown horse named Summers. And a Palomino named.
Yeah, it's a pretty big horse there, guys. Reminds me of them bulls.
I feel like I'm right down on the farm, man.
Yeah, right on the farm, guys. Yeah, they weren't rowdy at all. They're all like taking breathers here. Very nice. Yeah. They're almost like in a circle over here, guys. Check it out. Check them out. Perfect circle.
I like that brown paint too, man. Black paint's nice. And you see the brown paint one over there, brown and white.
Oh yeah.
It's cool.
Look, they're all in a circle. It's like they know, and then they get picked by whoever wants to ride them. They all want to get ridden, guys. And here's some of the wagons and stuff. Looks like they have one, like if you're going to get...
The wagon ride.
Yeah, and a wedding, guys.
Let's go for a wagon ride.
Wagon rides, yeah. Probably pretty cool. Very nice.
Hey guys, man, Sam here. I'm gonna get an extra special shout out to Linwood, Shavonda, JR, and the Kia, man. And also Chrissy and Ashton for making this review possible. Yeah, man. We are TSC 260 Cowboys, and we're here reviewing the Mountain Creek Riding Stable in Pennsylvania, guys. Yeah, man. Close to the Poconos Mountains and close to the carriage house, guys, where we're staying.
Hey, you got your little buddy coming over.
He's thirsty, man.
Getting thirsty. Look at that. Hey, boy. Hey, girl.
Buddy.
Hey, girl. Very pretty. Yeah. Oh.
Look at his little ears.
Yeah. Cute. Hey. Very cute. Little shy. But look, they're in a perfect circle, guys. They're just waiting to get ridden. That's pretty cool.
Horses.
You guys, love these horses. These horses are great. I like the painted ones.
I think that the horses like to be ridden, guys. I think they like going for rides and stuff.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, man.
I really like it here, guys. Reminds me of home.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Down on the farm.
Down on the farm. Don't forget to watch the newest episode of Down on the Farm, guys. Yeah, man. On our channel. Hey, guys, man. Sam here. Mountain Creek Riding Stable, guys. We highly recommend it. The horses are really, really nice. We pet them all and everything. And the people here and the employees, really, really cool, man. Really nice and helpful.
Yeah, they were really nice.
Highly recommend y'all come here. Give it a little horsey ride or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Special shout out to Piper. Yeah, man. The employee here. She was really helpful. And, oh, man. We really recommend this place. And she's really knowledgeable, man. Some really good stuff. So come check her out. Check this place out, man. Get yourself a ride. They got horses for adults and children. And also, you can get a wagon ride if you don't want to ride the horse. You still get a wagon ride. Highly recommend it.
Yeah. And a special shout out to the farm cat. Yeah. Love that cat too.
Alright, guys. Yeah, man. And we like the cat here a lot, man. Really cool cat. And love the animals of the horses, guys. Yeah, man.
That was like a turtle cat, wasn't it?
Tortoise.
Tortoise shell cat, yeah.